Hello there, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Jasmine. I'm an all-cash budgeter. I use what's called the zero-based budgeting method. Today I'll be using that to stuff my second check for the week of June. If you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, first things first, today is very much ghetto. I did not have time to budget. I did not have time to go and get the correct denominations. I had to go to the ATM, so I got a fistful of 20s, 100 and some 10s, and I'm hoping I have the right amount of cash here to go ahead and cash stuff. I said I was determined to stay consistent on YouTube, so I have to shoot this and upload it today. So, stick with your girl. So first things first, we are going to unstuff our cash envelopes for the week. So let me go ahead and pull up my weekly check-in. So it looks like we started with nothing in gas. We have nothing left in gas. Groceries started with $125. We still have $120 in here, but I did place an order from Instacart for Sam's, and it was like $100 and something. So this is going to roll over. So let's go ahead and say we spent the whole $125 on this end. So we have nothing remaining. All right, so spending money, we started with $25. We have $5 left, so that's gonna go to the $5 savings challenge. So we spent $20, $5 remaining. Okay, for dining out, our starting amount is $20. We have nothing left in here. We actually went over this budget by probably 60 bucks. We ended up eating out like 3 times this week, and we were supposed to be cooking. So I'm gonna actually say $60, so I remember to pay myself back. And for beauty, this is a rollover envelope, remember? So we added 10 last week, and our total in here is still 20. I haven't had time to get my nails done. I'm actually going to soak off this overlay and probably go back to press-ons for a little bit just to let my nails breathe. Miscellaneous started with 5, is ending with 5. We're going to roll this over to our hair envelope. Okay. So miscellaneous started with 5. We spent nothing. There was $5 left. So let's go ahead and head back to our, where was I at? Budget planner. So I'm currently just looking at last week's budget, trying to figure out kind of where I was putting money so I can make sure I'm putting it in the right place this week, y'all. I'm struggle busting. It is so much going on in my life right now. Like, I really just wanted to stop doing YouTube for a month, but I'm not. I'm act right. So for rent, we have, girl, what am I doing, girl? For gas this week, I'm gonna put 20 in here because I haven't put gas in my car in a while. Again, I haven't driven for 7 days. Like, I've literally been in the house reorganizing, packing orders, trying to get some stuff set up on the back end. So anyway, groceries, I'm gonna go ahead and put 125 back in here. What I'm actually gonna do is switch this 100 out with 520s because, child. Okay, so for groceries this week, we actually just got a grocery opportunity today. Our fridge is stocked, so I'm just gonna actually pay myself back for that grocery opportunity. Got $100 worth of groceries for 50. If you know, you know. If you don't, it ain't none of your business. You ain't the community of people I'm speaking to right now. And I think this is actually gonna be a regular grocery opportunity for me. Person been coming through. So spending is receiving $25. You know what? Yeah, that'll do, because I got a gift card, an Amazon gift card I need to use. I was gonna say I need to buy some stuff, but dining out is going to get, we did just get groceries, but let me keep it a buck. I'm gonna add 40 because I'm sure my niece is here and she is a chicken nugget fanatic. Beauty is going to get $5. So we have 25 in there. And so I'll probably just soak these off and get a manicure. And I got some fire press-ons I haven't used yet, so Probably gonna use those. Miscellaneous is gonna get 5 as usual. I never spend this money unless I go over and gas or grocery. Hair doesn't get anything, and my coins envelope has this lonely dime. And so I'll put that in the correct envelope. I didn't pull my $1 and $5 challenge envelope from under my desk. I'm not gonna do it right now, but I will sit it aside so that it and this dime can get to the correct place. So I'm gonna sit these 20s over here. First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and work through some sinking funds. Let's see, for credit repair here, I want to add 50 bucks. I am getting ready to pay off another credit thing. I actually did just pay a company, so I need to pull that money out. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550, 570, 590, 600, 620. So this will probably be down to back around the $200 mark. Manifestations, I try to always put at least 50, if not 100 in here. So I'm gonna add 20, 40, and 50. So in here now we have 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 225. Again, this money goes towards anything I'm trying to manifest in my life. And right now, that is an apartment. Emergency fund is going to receive $25. So, I have a 20 and a 5. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 900, 920, 940, 960, 980, 985, 990. So we are $10 away from 1,000, which is really good. If you don't know, if you haven't been watching me for a while, January 1st, I emptied out all my sinking funds. I had over 40K, close to $45,000 saved, and I emptied all that, put it into a savings account so I could start over from scratch. So all these envelopes have only been filled up since the beginning of the year. And if you're wondering, like some people, I've got some comments later wondering where that money is going. I invested it. I went ahead and funded my IRA for the year. I put about 10 grand into another investment account, and I set 10 grand aside to invest in some property pretty soon. So the rest will probably go towards student loans. So I'm going to put this rollover money here, not in fitness, but in the rollover envelope. I know, I'm sorry if I feel like I'm in a hurry, but y'all, Baddies and Budgets has been booming, and I have to hire somebody. I have to interview her today because we need some help. I don't even know where my marker is. I already have 2.5 employees. Say half because one of them is my niece, so she, you know, but I need another person. It's steadily picking up at the pace where we cannot keep up. So, all right. So for this 52-week challenge this week, let me find something reasonable. Let me go ahead and do, I'm going to do 90. Okay. So let's do 20, 40, 60, 80, 90 bucks. We're going to add to this 52-week challenge. And I'm actually getting ready to revamp my sinking funds, every single one of them. I will do that on video because I know y'all enjoy those kinds of videos. All right. I was about to count this, but we don't do that. We don't do that till the end of the month. All right. So this baby is done. Let's head over to our bills. Did I already do my bills? Nope. I'm all out of whack. I'm all out of whack, y'all. If y'all only understood, your girl is struggling. Okay, rent is gonna get, did I do? No, I didn't do these. So rent is gonna get $375. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 320, 340, 360, 370, 375. Okay. This is truly ghetto. Like, not having the right money, ugh, it sucks. All right, so in rent we have 1, 2, 3, 350, 370, 390, 410. 410, 430, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 550, 570, 590, 610, 630, 650, 670, 690, 710, 720, 730, I guess. I hope I counted that right. This sound like the math ain't mathing, but we'll see. This Apple Watch needs to leave me alone. Okay, utilities will be receiving $50, so 20, 40, 50. So we have 50, 70, 90, 100 in utilities here. Next up, storage is going to be receiving $30. So I'm actually going to put in 2 20s and take out this 10. So 20, 40, 60 in our storage. Phone bill is going to get 30. So I'm going to add in a 20 and a 10. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. All right, our internet bill gets 25, I believe. And I need some fives. All right, let's get this booming. So internet, we're gonna get at 25. So that's 20, 40, 50. And internet, paying that good old Wi-Fi bill. Streaming is going to receive $15. So 10, 5. So we have 10, 20, 25, and $30. We said bye-bye to Netflix, and I'm not even mad at it. Don't even miss it. Self-lender, which is what I have been using to rebuild my credit. If you haven't checked it out, check it out in the link below. I'll try to remember to link it up here. Y'all, self-lender is the GOAT. Like, it has helped me rebuild my credit in a major way. It's not gimmicky, I promise. If I recommend something to you, I've used it myself, and it is the bomb. So definitely check out Self if you are a person who is trying to repair or rebuild your credit. Car insurance is going to get $50, so we're going to go 20, 40, and 50. So car insurance now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, $700. My car insurance we pay every 6 months. It's like $590, $610 usually. We paid it in March, so it's coming up again soon, but I'm trying to get where I have a year's worth of car insurance in advance, so I save up a little extra every week. Yearly subs gets $5, and that $5 adds up slowly but surely. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 460, 470, 485. So we're almost to the $500 mark there. So that's our bills. We paid our bills. Our bills are paid, honey. All right. So let's go through this second group of sinking funds here. You know what? Let me do my savings challenges first, because I'm going to be mad if I don't have no money left for them. Okay. So for this June savings challenge, let's see what we've got here. All right. So we need to do the next 7 numbers. So that's 2, 3, 4. So 24, 25, 26, 27, 29. Let me see what I want to do. So there's 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 10, 20, 25, 27, 28, 29. So that makes $30. I'm going to double it and do 60 because that's the extra challenge to add 60 to it to double each day, right? So let me grab a marker. Okay, so we got all that colored in. We got our money added. So we're all good for our June monthly challenge. Okay, now let's get into this very last thing, which is our sinking funds. And
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Girl, wasn't nobody talking to you. Okay, so let's work on our student loan here. I saved the big bills for this envelope because it be so full. So we're gonna add 250 here. So there's 200, 20, 40, and 50. So there's 100, 200, 220, 240, 250. Okay. So for this week, which is 6/7, we're adding $250. 94, 68, 26 minus.
So in here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 2,000, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 3,000, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 4,000, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 4,500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 4,600, 20, 40, 60, 80,
90, $4,700. So minus $4,700 is $4,768. Okay, so now we're under 5,000. We owe $4,768.21, and I have got a good feeling about being able to pay this off in full with my side hustle money. I made some really good money on a sponsor. We got $15 left, okay, which is pretty tragic. So what I'm actually just gonna do with it, because this fund is a little bit priority for right now, I'm gonna add it to 4th of July. So we now have 100, 150, 170, 180, 190, 195. All right. So I've got my envelope with me, got my challenge, I got my dice, and I'm gonna use this dime that I was gonna put in my change. So let's go ahead and roll it up. And we got spot 1 again. Let me roll it again because I feel like cheating. Spot 5 for the win. Of course I did it to myself. Lord. So I got the heart this week. So the heart means you either add $50 or scratch another space and double that amount. I'm going to go ahead and add $50. I am just going to go ahead and pull it out of my spending money. It's fine. I'll just use my buffer if I need to go over for spending. So we'll take 20, 40, 50 and add it to our Save a Baddie challenge. All right, let's see what we've got here. All right, so our total in here is 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95. So we have $395 in here. Almost to that $400 mark. And we have 1 week left. So I'm hoping to get over 400 bucks in here so that I can set this money aside until we decide to travel next month, whatever we're going to do. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I apologize that it was so rushed and all over the place, but I wanted to get some content out for y'all because I know y'all will be in my inbox talking about, girl, what's happening? Where the videos at? All right, so y'all enjoy. Have a good week. Make sure you check out Self Lender. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the channel, leave a comment. I appreciate it. It keeps me growing and going and motivated to keep posting these videos. Y'all have a really good week. Bye.